Hello and welcome. Today I've got for you another keyboard review. As you guys know, I'm a bit of a keyboard fan and I've reviewed quite a few keyboards over the last year and a half, and I'm really excited to check out this keyboard here from NuPhy. They're quickly becoming one of my favorite keyboard brands for many reasons that we'll talk about in this particular video. Let's take a look at this model here. This is called the Halo65 V2 series. This is a 65 key keyboard here with standard profile keycaps. They're not low profile keycaps. This is part of their Halo series. This one here comes equipped with, this one is also a VIA compatible keyboard, so you can use VIA and QMK to basically configure all of this. Normal profile wireless mechanical keyboard. This one I have here is an iconic white color with the raspberry switches. Additionally, it comes with quite a few accessories here, as we can see. We'll unbox this in just a moment. I like that this packaging is actually very nicely done. It's beautiful, and it's actually, gives a good impression of the overall product that you're going to be getting into. And as always, before we begin here, just a quick disclaimer. This was provided to me by NuPhy for review. Regardless, all of the opinions you'll hear in this video are entirely my own, and nobody has had editorial review of the content herein. Now, if you like the content that I review, please click the like button, click subscribe, and click notification bell so you're the first to know when there's new content available here. And also, if you'd like to purchase any of the products I review, you can check the links in the description below. I often provide links accompanied with discount codes to help you save a little bit of money. And if you'd like to support the channel a bit further by giving us a tip, use the coffee link in the description below. Every little bit helps, and it goes a long way to help independent creators such as myself. All right, so we'll slide this off. This is a sleeve. Inside we have this beautiful black kind of box, so pretty discreet, with the exception of this kind of etched shape of the keyboard layout here. So the 65 key V2, the Halo65 V2. So inside, I've already taken the keyboard out of the box. Surprise, surprise. We'll take a look at that separately in just a moment. I want to talk about what else is included here in the box. So we get a nice little Halo65 printed quick guide, and we get some NuPhy Halo sticker series here. So nice, fun for the kiddos, or if you like to stick some onto your, desktop or around your desk. Nice that they've provided this, a neat little touch. And if we look inside the box here, we get a extra switch, some extra switches. So these are all three different types of switches. There's raspberry, lemon. I believe these ones are mint. We'll talk about the switches a bit later. We have our USB Type A dongle for actual 2.4G wireless connectivity. We have some extra switches and keycaps. By default, it comes installed with Mac keycaps, but these are Windows keycaps, so you can swap out Home and Alt, and of course your other Windows related keycaps. We have our nice USB cable here with the mint branding, so right on theme here with the NuPhy colors. And finally, the compulsory switch/key puller here with the NuPhy branding. Alright, here we go. This is the Halo65 V2 from NuPhy. So this keyboard here is beautifully constructed. It is a white ABS plastic. We also have a new, for this particular model, this hollow body here, and we also have this lighting effect around the body. This is called the Halo light. So the NuPhy Halo light looks absolutely fantastic. We have here a port where you can house either a plug, or you can put your USB dongle here for 2.5G connectivity. You have a switch here for Windows and Mac toggle, another switch here for mode toggle between power off, wired connectivity, or wireless using either Bluetooth with 3 different devices connected at the same time, or you can have also the USB 2.4 gigahertz wireless connectivity, and of course a USB Type-C cable for charging and for wired mode operation. Or on the bottom, rather, we have these green feet here which go along with the NuPhy theme, and of course we have 2 levels of height adjustment here. So we have feet at the shorter level, and then very clicky and poppy feet. Love the tactile feedback and the sounds on this. The pop is just fantastic. And we have 2 levels of feet adjustment here for the height of the keyboard. This Halo light, as you can see, wraps all the way around, and with the RGB flowing through, it looks absolutely beautiful. It's infused and kind of, clouded out by the fact that this is a semi-transparent wavy body. And this wavy texture here is pretty unique to NuPhy, and I like that the fact they give it a little bit of a texture gives you the unique look and feel. Now for this one here, the Halo65 V2, we have standard height keycaps as opposed to the low height, low profile keycaps that we're seeing more and more commonly these days. So I like this profile because it gives you a lot more key travel and it just feels more comfortable for typing, I think, for extended periods of time. I'm a little bit of a heavy typer, so for me this key profile suits me much better. Now we have some south facing switches here. We'll take a look at those in a moment. And we also have these beautiful NuPhy keycaps as well. And we have some lights here. Of course, you have keyboard functions you can use with the keyboard. We'll take a look at those as well. And what's new for this model is we have these homing lights now. So one on the up arrow key, one on the J key, and one on the F key. So you can opt to either turn off this entire RGB light altogether, have it full RGB, or just the home light, so you can actually indicate where you need to home in with your hands and fingers for positioning purposes. So, and another thing to point out is that we have 10x the wireless speed here as before. We get 1000 hertz polling rate in all modes, whether it's wireless with Bluetooth, wireless with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connectivity, or even on the USB Type-C wired mode connectivity. So you have plenty of options for that. Another thing to highlight is this keyboard is fully compatible with QMK VIA, and of course we have PCBs, gasket mounting, all of the sound dampening materials and everything. All right, now keeping with the theme of the actual Halo65 V2, let's take a look at some detail here. So I want you guys to see the actual beautiful design here of the actual keycaps themselves, the RGB lighting that's shining through in between the actual chassis and the keys here. And of course, I love the fact that they've accented this with a yellow space bar, a red enter button, and of course we have here almost a matcha green escape button here, so with some gray accents here for some of the keys surrounding the border, and multi legends here printed on top of the actual keys here. This is actually a very fantastic design. I love the look of this thing, and of course this chrome Halo logo here up here, which is also backlit. It looks absolutely stunning. I cannot say enough about the actual design and the look and feel of the actual NuPhy keyboards. I'm really a big fan. I'm trying not to fanboy too hard here, but this is overall a beautifully designed keyboard. And if we look at this halo light here, this is stunning in and of itself. It just adds a next level touch and element to this keyboard, which I believe is quite unique and gives this a one-up over many other keyboards, especially pre-built, that you get off of the shelf. All right, next, let's talk about these switches here. So we want to talk about what is currently in this keyboard, and of course some of the other options that are available for ordering, because you can order these customized from NuPhy's website directly. You have an option of 4 different switches here. Looks like I've got 3 extra switches here, and I hope these are samplers of different switches rather than just the same switch itself, but just in multicolors. So from what I understand here, these switches, there's 3 different things to talk about. So this one here is the mint switch. Now these are all linear switches, by the way. So this one here is a mint switch at 37 grams of force. We have then the next one here, which is raspberry, which is what I have installed in this keyboard here that was sent to me for review. So this one has all of these raspberry switches, and this is kind of a middle ground at 46 grams of force. And then finally we have here this one, which is called lemon. And the lemon switches are 55 grams of force, so a little bit more, activation. My personal preference, and of course this will vary depending on what you like, but I think linear switches are the best switches and basically suitable for everybody. They still give you that tactility and that feedback when you're typing, and that nice thok sound without being overly annoying and audible, such as the tactile switches of yesterday. So those are gone. The lemon definitely is the heaviest of the switches, so if you're a heavy typer such as myself, you're probably going to prefer a linear switch with 50 grams or 55 grams of force. That said here, these switches are a combination, or rather a collaboration, from NuPhy and Gateron to try to bring you some very unique switches here, and these are called their frontier switches. So, and NuPhy also via their website sells switch sets and also keycap sets as well. If you want to really customize your NuPhy Halo65 V2, you can really go all out and put together a custom, almost a custom kit, which has all of the solid essentials such as the gasket mount, the PCB, the rubber sealing, and all of that stuff to give you that perfect sound, in my opinion, for a pre-built keyboard that is affordable for most of us. And with the Halo65 V2, NuPhy has come up with a new style of keycaps here. These are MSA height, so 11 millimeters on the high end and 11.7, excuse me, and 7 millimeters on the low end to improve the overall ergonomics of these keys as well. These are actually, nicely printed. They have a nice rounded square shape, which is typical of NuPhy. And of course, we have MX style stems here, so you can swap these onto a lot of different switch styles here to customize them or even to use them on other key sets. And of course, double shot PVT plastic is the actual materials used here for these. And new for this year is also these, LED or cutouts here. These are custom cutouts in some of these keys, which give you a homing LED bar, allowing the light to shine through here, as you can see with these south-facing LED switches. To conclude, so I've loved my time here with the Halo65 V2. I think this may become a staple on my desk for the remainder of the year. I love the design of this keyboard. It feels sturdy, it's solid, it has a fantastic sound, it's got all of the right RGB lighting effects that I would like. Beautifully designed keyboard, the color keycaps, the text here, the printed, you're not going to get shiny finger oils on these keycaps very easy. They're double shot PBT keycaps. That's what we'd expect. Southbound lighting with the RGB LEDs here. Everything looks fantastic. If you're looking to buy this keyboard, I would say that they're running a sale right now for the month of September. You can check out their website. You can get some discounts. Check out the links in the description below with some discounts as well for Technolux viewers. And of course, if you like my content, please click the like button, click subscribe, and click that notification bell so you're the first to know when there's new content available here. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.